Hello, this is a video for quotient rule, continue from the first video. So basically this question is, well, you guys can see, find the equation of the tangent line and normal line to the graph of the function at the x value. So they've given us this x value right here, which is something that you need to use to find out your tangent line and normal line. And remember, we've done this type of question so many times that we need to, first thing we need to figure out at which point does this tangent line and normal line intersect this entire function. So we need to, in order to find out that point, we need to plug it in using the x value right here. So basically we're just gonna do, let me write it pretty for you guys. X value equals to pi over 3 equal to, oh my bad, ignore those. So right here, sine of pi over 3, and the bottom will just 3 times pi over 3 minus 5. Okay? Oh, sorry, you guys can't see that. There you go. Okay, so pi over 3 equals to square root of 3 over 3, 2. And then this one, basically, this 2 cancel out, become pi minus 5. And because this is multiplying, I can also rewrite this by changing this part to the bottom. Let me write it out this way. You guys know what I'm talking about. This means that times that. So I can simplify this one, the square root of 3, 2 times pi over 5, pi minus 5, pi over 5. And then you can multiply it out. You don't have to. I would recommend you do. Just, we don't have to worry about so many parentheses. I think I'm talking too soft. Like that. Here we go. Okay, so this is the y value corresponding to this x value. So therefore we're going to have this point, that is the one that our normal line and our tangent line intersecting our functions. So from this point we need to find out the derivative, because now we need to find slope. Okay, so to find slope, symbol this. Okay, so our function is sine x over 3x minus 5. So the first thing we need to take a derivative of the top function, which will be cosine x multiplied by the bottom function. Everything minus top function multiplied to the derivative of the bottom function. And then we have the bottom function square. Just like this. Okay? After you square this whole thing, well, we can multiply this on out. Let me change the color. Let me use orange. I like orange. Right here, and we can also multiply the negative sign into here. Blue again. Equal sign. So, actually, we can just plug it in and just find the slope right away. Let's do that instead of doing this. Save us some time. I'm gonna plug in, this is prime, pi over 3 into this newly derived function. So this is our newly derived function. Okay, this is the derivative of the original function. So now we're gonna plug it in, so it will be cosine pi over 3 multiplied by pi minus 5 minus sine of pi over 3 multiplied by 3. And the bottom will just pi minus 5 square. Okay? And now we know, because if you don't know this, just look at the unit circle. This one equals 1/2, and then pi minus 5 stays pi minus 5, minus this whole thing right here equals to square root of 3 over 2 multiplied by 3. Everything divided by pi minus 5 square. Okay, And this would just give us pi over 2 minus phi over 2, that is a 5 over 2, minus, let's just say 3 square root of 3 over 2. Everything over pi minus 5 squared. Okay, and then we can just say, we can actually simplify a lot of stuff. Since everything is over 2, I can just rewrite this as pi minus 5 minus 3 over square root of 3 over 2 times this. Okay, basically what I'm doing is, this is exactly the same part as this one. What I did right here is what I did right here. Okay, now we can actually just leave it like that. It'll probably make your life a little bit easier, and this way you don't have to change so much stuff. So we can just say y minus, well, tangent line, this is tangent line. Whoa, what happened to my t? Tangent line equation, y minus the point, which is square root of 3, 2 pi minus 10, equals to the slope, this crazy thing, pi minus 5 minus 3 square root of 3, 2 pi minus 5 square. Okay, and then what else? Multiply by the x minus pi over 3, which is our point. That'll be tangent line. And for normal line, because it will be perpendicular, it will be the same thing basically, with the exception of negative and flip. The slope would be different. So we just flip this one, square root of 3, x minus pi over 3. Okay? And then these two, get rid of those. This is a tangent line, this is normal line, and these will be your answer right here. Function and function. Okay, so I'm gonna pause right here, and I'm gonna make another video for the next question. If you have any question, email me on Schoology or just post on Schoology. I saw a lot of your posts, and it was funny, but it was interesting. Thank you for commenting on Schoology. Okay, well, talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
That's Mr. Jackson.